Moonrabbit project is created on the Tron network, one of the leading blockchain platforms. At this stage, Moonrabbit is in the beta experimental phase and Moonrabbit protocol is based on the TRC20 token MRK. Moonrabbit is a new existing experimental open source DeFi project for the community.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire website of the Moonrabbit. Basically, the Moonrabbit project is only at experimental stage at this time. The initial value of the MRK tokens starts from the zero. It is up to the community and miners to define its potential token value. You will need to install the Tron Link plugin to mine the MRK. Select different pools to approve and stake the nominated tokens. Moonrabbit is open source and verified on the Tron. Maximum supply for the MRK is only and only 12,000 tokens. This cap is also written in smart contract and immutable in MRK protocol. Here you can see the entire white paper of the Moonrabbit, basically talking about the fees of any type of staking. Basically, the team is not taking as much fees. You only need to pay a very small amount of the transaction fee in TRX for calling the Moonrabbit smart contract. Moonrabbit do not charge fees to people who participate in MRK mining. And the best part for the miners, that for the amount of MRK tokens being mined by the community, there is also 10% of that amount minted for the developer team to support the future development of the Moonrabbit ecosystem. And every time the team MRK is used, an announcement will be made. The team is planning to launch the token on the JustSwap very soon. I will share the link of this blog so you can read all the things about the Moonrabbit. Now we are going to talk about the price of the Moonrabbit, but first of all I will show you something important, that is basically the entire supply on the tronscan.org. Here you can see I opened the contract address and you can check all the things over here, and the entire supply is only and only 11,240 tokens. Here, okay, 11,420 tokens. So it's not as much a huge supply. So definitely this coin will reach at least as per my own knowledge and as per my own price prediction about the Moonrabbit, this coin will definitely reach up to 70,000 TRX 1 MRK. So it will, okay, it is not a big issue for it. It will definitely catch this price very soon, in maximum 1 month. Now talking about the exchanges, right now the Moonrabbit is basically enlisted on one exchange where you can buy this token very easily, and very soon, as the team is announcing on the Twitter, that very soon they are going to launch the token, the Moonrabbit, on the JustSwap. So it is your time to grab the opportunity, because when the token will be on the JustSwap, definitely the price will increase and it will be skyrocket, and probably it will go above the price which I am predicting at this time. Here you can see 1 MRK is only and only 3,377 TRX at this time. So very soon the price will increase when the team is going to announce the JustSwap exchange, and secondly they are going to list on some good and more exchanges. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, because the time is running, and definitely the coin is such a huge, and the staking reward is awesome. If you are going to obtain it, you will definitely get some good money. Thanks a lot.